For this video, I thought I'd try my hand at restoring this gun mounting wrench from World War II that I picked up off eBay. I thought it looked interesting, so I bought it and here we are. I may do some sort of modification to it, but I'm not really sure at this point. Nevertheless, enjoy the video. And here we have the finished wrench. I have no complaints with how it turned out. The character that still remains, along with the little modification I added, really makes this wrench pop. Some might not be a fan of the paint, but I think it looks good and I'm glad I added it. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you haven't already, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Also, if you have any comments or questions about this project, please feel free to leave those below and I will address them when I can. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care and have a good one.